if you're not traveling with stain remover, you're doing it wrong, because you never know what kind of stains you're going to come across while you travel. I got this as a sample, especially like me on a cruise. There's dinners, there's all kinds of different things you're doing. There's grandkids with you, there's nieces and nephews. And one time, my niece in a cruise port spilled coffee all over me. And my like much loved sweater would have had to be ruined probably because a stain would have set in. But I had to use the laundry because I wasn't traveling with the stain remover. I don't do that anymore. Now I travel with stain remover because I could have just, put this on it and just set it away and washed it when I got home. But I had to use the expensive cruise line laundry instead of having stain remover with me. I won't do that again. I don't make that mistake now. I always have some kind of stain remover with me. This one's going to be great. It'll be easy to pack just down in my little bag. I might put it inside another bag too, just so it doesn't leak, because you never know. This one takes out wine, which could be a problem on a cruise, grass, blood, grease, dirt. Check this out for yourself. Like I said, always travel with some kind of stain remover with me. This one is 3 ounces, so it's kind of like a little trial size. Check it out for yourself.